Hey, it's your girl Kdid. Come back out to you.
And you know what? I did the clothes from mommy's phone. I've been asking her. I'm taking off the table already.
This is not for that, but this is for the. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is for little passports. Making sure I'm not going crazy. This is for little passports, right?
Little passports.
I thought it was about to be a snack one.
Little passports. That
Yes.
is right here.
So, hold on. Probably it'll be better if I did like this so you can see everything.
I already opened it.
Yeah, I'm just making sure. Yeah, last month, what did we did with last month? They had a volcano, and that was pretty cool.
And we explosion, and it didn't stay in the bag properly.
It did stay in the bag properly. I don't know what you're talking about. Always a struggle. Hold on.
This is a struggle to take off. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, what? There's not all my clothes in here.
There's no clothes in this one, Katana, but little passport is the educational thing. So we don't know what we can. This is finished, but.
So now we're gonna see what we have in here now.
Okay.
Mommy, now we could open this.
All right. So open up one thing at a time, baby.
I am opening one thing.
Okay.
So guys, look at what we got. Let's open it. Sticky. This is the stickiest thing ever. See?
Show the people.
Oh my god.
What's the topic?
There's another thing in there.
What do you think the topic is about, Katanya?
The topic? Oh, it's another thing. It's a song.
Oh, so this month must be the topic for music. So I plan to get a jacket. We're gonna put when we get all. I think the 6th month. Actually, I'm trying to do it so I don't lose them.
Oh, Mommy,
I put them in my room. We'll put on a jacket. So is it girl Kate?
Look, guys.
KK, stop pushing the thing, baby.
I'm
putting it too close to the camera.
So this is.
You gotta do it like right here, baby. So you can see it from here. So this is all about music, sounds and stuff.
I want to show them the pictures. Look, guys, you see all these pictures of these boys and girls.
So every month we get some of these cards, and
I want to see what they
oh my gosh, KK, stay focused. All right, look at that, baby. So you have to stay focused. If you're gonna explain something, you have to explain it right, baby. Look, these are basically the stuff that we do. They give us instructions on how to do the next assignment. Usually they give us cards.
These cards.
Okay.
So this is a music
And every month.
and cards. We have music band thing. Confused. We have this with the same picture. We have a guitar and the maracas and the other thing I don't know. What is this? Mom, you know what this is? Turn around the car and see.
Katanya, you're pushing the table, baby. You're pushing the table. So this is basically, it looks like it's showing you the eardrums.
Mommy, turn it around and see what it is.
So it shows you the eardrums. That's basically what it is. It's showing you about sound and how sound is. Yes, KK.
Mommy, what is this? I don't know.
Katanya, you didn't know anything. That's a sound. That's the eardrums. I just said that.
Eardrums.
Drums, where you hear from. So these are the stickers they give you every month also.
Yes.
So we're going to put these back so we don't lose them.
Show them the stickers. So basically the stickers is, a microphone.
Microphone?
Guitar. Of course. These things you could copy on the piano, I think. It has MATHEMATLCS. I don't know what that says. That is an air. What is this? Mommy? What is this? Like this and a little line and a dot under.
I don't know what you're looking at, so I don't know.
Look, right here. here?
I don't know what the hell that is. I guess it's like, you know, I don't know what that is, but I think it's like a symbol kind of thing. Like, you know the rectangle? The rectangle, when you hit it and make a sound, I think that's what that particular instrument is. So, this is the next pack right here.
Yeah, I think you have to do that, but the soap in it,
So,
guys.
we're gonna take time, KK.
Okay. There's these bubble wrap.
You know what bubble wrap is? What?
Uh-huh. What is it? Oh my gosh, it looks like animal stuff, but it's definitely a block. Interesting. And basically, these are...
Is it gonna be a rectangle? I think so, but it's wooden, so I don't know how that's gonna work.
It's not gonna be a rectangle. It's gonna be something I don't know.
So these are the pieces. This month is instruments. I don't know how the hell we're gonna make instruments like this, but we're gonna see when we finish it. And this is some of the stuff that they gave us. So these are the things.
Mommy,
these are the things.
You had stripes
That's
on
that.
these? Mommy, did you know you have stripes for a guitar?
Probably it's a guitar. I don't know. And these.
Oh, there's glue like the squeezing thing we did on
the volcano.
No,
so this is a glue.
It's not the volcano.
It is, and in the craft, the volcano and the craft have the same kind of tube thing. And this is probably for a guitar or something. Strumming, making sounds. Probably I'll take a picture of what everything comes out to.
Mommy,
and y'all can see it.
I just want to test them out, putting them
Katani, we're not doing them right now. We're going to do them tomorrow.
Okay. I just want to look at them and do.
Okay.
Mommy,
so guys.
Mommy, the video's not over. We have to open this and see what it is.
No, Katani, they can see through. It's plastic. See-through plastic.
The sticks thing and the words.
All right. Anyway, guys,
bye.
Thank you for.
Subscribe. Later. Bye. I'm
done. Later, guys. Bye. We're blessed and highly favored.